When we moved in, this old mudroom closet was functional, but that's about it. And my mom and I looked at each other and we were like, let's rip it out. So that's exactly what she did. Our plan was to take out the utility closet, which sounds a little bit crazy because who gets rid of storage space, right? But it was bulky and it collected clutter. And honestly, I think the whole space felt closed off. So we decided to open it up and let it breathe a little bit. This will be the door, and then you walk through and you turn, and then you can wash the dogs when they roll in the turkey poop. So this is her idea of a relaxing weekend, tearing down drywall, pulling out trim, and getting her hands dirty. And honestly, it's kind of amazing to watch. She's definitely a machine. Mitch took the kids and I on a day trip, and while we were gone, she put that door right in. I finally stepped in to help, but don't worry, my job's just beginning. Next up, turning this into a real cozy corner. Stay tuned for part 2.